We are at our chalet in Switzerland.
Yeah, it's a Girl Scout thingy.
Ah. Here we go. And this is the view. We feel like we're in a Ricola commercial. Look at that.
I know, it looks exactly like a Ricola commercial, like
Ricola.
the flowers and everything. And I am in a dorky outfit right
This is our uniform. We have to wear this uniform.
Yeah.
Because we're cadets. Well, actually, I'm a senior, she's a cadet. But anyway, so yeah, we're here. We're actually here, and it's not really sinking in, and we're really excited. But
And it looks kind of like a Disney movie, actually. Like, it reminds me of a Disney movie.
and don't expect us to post anything tomorrow until like this time because we have to get up tomorrow at 5:30
Yes, we'll be so tired, and we're going on a 7-hour bus
to Paris. 7 hours. I kid you not. So
We're going to be sleeping the whole time.
Yeah.
So we're not going to be making video posting.
yeah, so you will just have to excuse us. We will be, and we will have great fatigue.
Yeah.
You should have seen the expression on my face when I said that. Okay, bye.
Bye.